BTS says BRB. This might be the downfall of South Korean entertainment economy. Are you ready? K-pop band BTS is about to join the army, a mandatory military service for all men in South Korea. Carrying out the national duty as a man in Korea to serve in the military is a big deal, as many celebrities have tried to avoid this mandate, which have caused many scandals and uproars in Korean communities. So there is no escaping for a high reputation band like BTS to serve in the military. And HYBE is now in question if they can survive the next 3 years from a financial point of view. HYBE is the parent company of different labels and agencies that manage artists like BTS, 17, TXT, and ENHYPEN. Every year, BTS makes more than 3.6 billion won for the Korean economy. And according to Park Ji-won, CEO of HYBE, the company earned a whopping 90% growth rate with BTS during the last 5 years. But earlier this year, HYBE's stock price fell by 28% to 139,000 won, the lowest the business has ever seen, wiping out 1.7 billion won in market cap. In September, HYBE shares fell by a further 8.26%. Can South Korea cover the BTS-sized void for the next 3 years? Who do you think can replace BTS?